G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. My name is Sean and today it's going to be a time lapse of me putting together the first chapter of the Mad Quilt Party by Art East Quilting Co. It's the Alice block. I'm looking forward to seeing how this all comes together, so join me for the journey. And clue one is all done. Let's take a look at Alice and see how she turned out. I think she turned out absolutely stunning. We'll pull it back a little bit so you can see, the whole clue. And now we'll go ahead and do a closer up. I used mostly Tulip Pink fabrics, which is the kit that I bought from John and Matt at Art East, but I did make one change. The blush, I used the Kona Sheen, which was the one that I used last time for the Wizard of Oz. I just thought it was a fun little addition here and my little tweak. But other than that, it's exactly as written. I love how the little heart turned out. Her hair is absolutely stunning. And just the whole thing. I love the socks and the shoes as well. So let me know in the comments what you think of this. I'm really excited to see what other blocks come up. The next one. And then the second chapter will be coming out very, very soon, which will be the White Rabbit. And so come back soon. We'll do a time lapse of him. and you'll be able to see that one very soon as well. So let me know what you thought in the comments. I always love hearing from my audience. I hope you all have a great day, happy selling, and we'll see you next time. Bye.